How to use Google Lens in Chrome. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to be telling you how you can use the Google Lens option in Chrome browser. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So let's say you want to find out some specific genes, or you want to find out where do you get them, right? So we'll come over here onto Google Images, right? So let's say that this person is wearing a particular type of jeans that you want. Right now, if you see right here, you'll see a icon right here. This icon represents Google Lenses, right? So you just click on it, it's going to activate Google Lens, and you can go ahead and see where this jeans is from, how much it costs, which website to buy it from, all of that. Now let's say you don't have this icon, right? How can you access Google Lens? Well, not to worry, Google Lens is built into Chrome browser now, so you won't have to worry about it. So come over here onto the top right corner and click on the three dots that have the control and customization options of Google Chrome. So you click on it, you'll find search with Google Lens right here. You click on it, it's going to open up, and now you can select anything you want with Google Lens. So you can see the screen, it turns red, which indicates that this area, with the pixels, they're the ones that where you can go ahead and actually search for something. All right, so let's say we want to search for this jeans. We'll just simply select them, and it's going to go ahead and find everything in that image. It's going to find the exact same location where you can find the pants, where we can find them. So it's pretty cool. So now you can go ahead and buy these jeans. So this is how you can find different elements and different products using Google Lens. You can even pin this toolbar over here as well. So it's pretty cool. So yeah, specifically, you can even use it anywhere on any other website as well. So for example, if I go to youtube.com, let's say I can even use it over here onto YouTube. So I'll just simply, let's say I want to find out where this image is from, right? So we'll just click over here and then select Google Lens, and now I'll just select this thumbnail. It's now going to go ahead and find me where it is. So this is the show right here, and I can go ahead and see it. Emperor Alexander. So this is the one that go ahead and find. This is it. El Cid, the legend. This is the film. This is where this particular image, this particular clip is from. So we can go ahead and use it onto Google Lens. You can use it on any website you want. As I said before, it's built into Google Chrome, so you just simply click over here onto the three dots and then click over there, and now you can go ahead and select and use it anywhere you want. So this is how you do it. This is how you use Google Lens on your browser in Google Chrome. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.